The equal field system was first implemented in China under the Northern Wei. Under this system, land was held by the government, with evenly sized plots being distributed out to the peasantry for cultivation. While this system initially applied only to the tax-paying peasantry, it would later be extended to affect the entirety of China under the Sui dynasty, with soldiers being registered for land alongside the peasants in 590 CE. Additionally, under the Sui, holdings of powerful families were named as rank lands, and a limit of 1,370 acres for the highest rank was placed upon them. Under the Tang dynasty, this system was further adapted, with laws being drafted in order to bind the farmers to the land, in order to stabilize the tax base of the Tang. To keep track of the information needed both in the effective management of land distribution and in tax collection, precise records were required. During the period, empire-spanning household registries were revised every 3 years, while in each individual administrative village, records of the population and land conditions were updated annually. Under the equal field system, agricultural production boomed, and vast swaths of previously uncultivated land came under use. During this period, peasant farmers paid 3 main types of taxes to the government: 2 piculs of grain, 20 feet of silk or hemp, and some measure of corvée labor for the local government, as well as 20 days' labor for the central government. This stable source of tax revenue provided more funding to the central Tang government than in any past dynasty. Additionally, the tax-paying populace provided the Tang government with a supply of unpaid workers, as well as soldiers. All of this went to help the Tang dynasty to produce what is often regarded as one of the most prosperous, culturally sophisticated, and successful periods of Chinese history. Despite its benefits, the equal field system did have its issues. In addition to the true equity of land redistribution being questionable, the system became increasingly unstable over time, as an extended period of relative peace allowed the population size to increase at a rate faster than natural resources, creating an imbalance between the amount of land and population size. Eventually, this instability, further exacerbated by the ever-decreasing amount of land left for the government to allocate, caused the system to collapse.